Welcome back. Hope you're doing good. In our previous video, we have found out what is the total value for government of France. The sales of the France government has been calculated. We will use another function which is called average, and also we will use minimum and maximum function as well in this exercise. To use the function average, we have to use equals average and open the bracket. If you see in the formula bar, we have equals average, and we can also use the formula bar to enter the function, or we can also use the same function inside the cell. Equals average. Use tab, it will auto-complete the function name, and you can enter in the formula bar. Open the bracket and select the range of cells. The range which I am selecting in column E. So we got the average unit sold for the government of France. This is the unit sold average value for the France government. I can copy the formula across different cells to find out average for manufacturing price, sale price, gross sales, discounts, sales, COGS, and profit. So we have got the average for the entire section. I can use the format painter to make the other text look like the total. So basically, we are changing the other cells to look like the total, the font size, the color, and the font. Let us use the function for minimum. Equals minimum, open the bracket and select the range, and so we got the minimum unit sold is 293. And to find out the maximum equals max, open the bracket and select the range and close the bracket. So it will find the maximum unit sold. So similarly, I can copy the function across other cells. I can drag the function to other cells. The function has been copied. So we have got the result as, so we got the result for minimum and maximum as well. So this is how we will be able to find out average, minimum, and maximum using the financial data set. So initially we had a very big data set. We have broken that big data set into multiple Excel sheets for different government, and we have applied different functions to calculate to get the desired result from each of the Excel sheets. So for each of the segment, we were able to find out the result. Similarly, we can copy the header from Government of France to Government of Canada, and we can also apply the same function whatever we have applied for Government of France and calculate to get the desired result. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please share and subscribe. Thank you.